It's Rachel, and today
I have the most satisfying tub clean out ever.
check this out. According to a study done by the Center for Hygiene and Health in Home and Community at Simmons College in Boston, the bathtub may have 100 times more bacteria than what common household item?
Stay tuned. Nobody likes cleaning their bathtub, right? You have to get in it and you have to scrub and you just kind of feel like a beached whale, like, oh, getting into it and out of it is awkward. This bathtub, it had been stained and dirty ever since this family moved in, and they had tried just about everything. And I was so excited to be able to bless them today and make it look brand new. The Hygiene Council recommends that your bathtubs and showers be disinfected twice a week to remove those dead skin cells that are left in your tub that can carry germs.
So first thing I did to tackle this dirty tub was I sprayed it with water, and then I applied our Norwex Descaler.
If you have not tried the Descaler on hard water or rust or lime or calcium buildup, oh my goodness, your mind will be blown.
I see new pictures just like this every week from consultants and customers all across the globe. It removes the buildup without any harsh chemicals. Impressive, right?
Because this stuff, it removes it all. It is so, so good.
When the flip tab on your Descaler is closed, it sprays more like a foam. Open, it's more of a traditional spray. Wait 10 minutes after you spray. Then I like to spray a little bit on my Envirosponge and get to work. Scrub, scrub, scrub. As you can tell, this is a super, super deep tub, so I did need to get inside of it. I'm only 5'3", so I couldn't quite reach the other end with my short little T-Rex arms. So I did what any sensible girl would do. I climbed inside. Yes, I'm wearing shoes. It wasn't my own tub. I did mop myself out of it. Aren't those shoes cute though? Oh my goodness, I love them. Now, rinse with water because we needed to do a round 2 on this dirty tub. So what goes on in layers comes off in layers, and this tub had so many layers of dirt and grime, we had to do a round 2 to make it look brand new. For round 2, I sprayed it again with the Descaler, I let it sit for another 10 minutes, and then I scrubbed it up one more time. And then I rinsed it one last time. Finally, I wiped it clean with the Enviro side of the Envirosponge. I'm totally digging my mom hair in this video. Just kidding. This transformation was truly amazing, but I'm sure you're all wondering, what may have 100 times less bacteria than the average bathtub?
Your trash can. This bad boy is 100 times less bacteria than the average bathtub. Go clean your tub.
These results, they speak for themselves. Absolutely incredible.
Let me know in the comments below. Was this like ultra satisfying for you to watch? Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed our video, please press the like button and then hit subscribe